Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we're unboxing the Bullymake box, and this is a dog box, and I have my cat accompanying me in the video, which is strange, to say the least. But anyway, if you're not familiar with Bullymake, these boxes are fantastic. They're so cute. The thing about pet subscriptions is, like, you're like, oh, it's for my pet, it's not for me, but like the items that you receive are really fun. They're really curated well. Everything comes together. There's always a theme. The products are backed, the toys at least, are backed by a 14-day money-back guarantee. So if your dog a power chewer, that's what this subscription is for. Chews through the toys within 14 days. They will replace it. Everything is made in the USA, all natural. Most of the products are the Bullymake brand. It's just a really good box. Usually, hey, that wasn't very nice. 2 toys and 2 or 3 treats. This is the July box. It's $39 a month. I didn't say that. That's important to say. So here we go. Where's our insert? Where do you get an insert? I don't know the theme yet. Oh no! Alright, so this looks like a little honey pot. No. Or burger. It's a burger, I think, right? Is that what it is? Yeah, because look, it's got little sesame seeds, and then you can see like the lettuce on the sides. And it does have a hole to stuff little treats in. There's always one of these rubber, and then there's typically a nylon toy as well. And then once you're a member, you can buy these in the Bullymake shop. Like if your dog really likes a certain toy, you can go and repurchase. So this is the nylon toy. This is a barbecue T-bone. Oh, so this is like a barbecue box, which I think is super cute. So here it is, a T-bone. It's hilarious. Okay, next we have barbecue chicken and apple grain-free treats. Ooh, let's open them and see what they look like. Once I open them, I always feel bad though, because once I open them, I can't you can't donate them. So I just like give them to a friend or something. These just taste like, smells like dog treats taste. I'm not eating them. Don't get excited, guys. This isn't that kind of a channel. All right. So there's that. No, these aren't for you. Those are for dogs. She must have smelled something she liked. Look at her over here trying to eat the dog treats. All right, so here's some Bullymake riblets. What's a riblet? Let's see. Ooh, they smell like smoky barbecue too. So it's like little rib pieces, which is interesting. All right, moving right along to our final treat. So that is, we'll have 3 treats and 2 toys. All right, these are the Bullymake steaklets. So I love, like, their packaging is always like unique to the box. Like they make these specifically for the box. It's all like, I don't know, I just love that about it. Isn't that neat? Like everything looks so aesthetically pleasing for, like, even if it's just dog treats, it's super cute. I just love it. All right. These are the oh my gosh, this is hilarious. It reminds me of like Doug. Do you remember Doug, that show on Nickelodeon? He had a dog named Pork Chop. And like, I think for some reason there was like dog food or treats that look like this. I could be totally wrong. Doesn't smell like steak, just smells like dog food. So let's just rewind here. There are these steaklets in the July box. So this is a 4.5 ounce bag, and then there is the barbecue chicken and apple. So you're getting a lot of flavor for your dog too. And this is a 4 ounce bag, so far 8.5 ounces of treats. And then this is a 4.5 ounce bag of the riblets. So, oh, where was I at? 8.5, 9 plus 4, 13 ounces of treats. And then your 2 adorably cute toys, this little humbug and your T-bone. Which I think is hilarious. So that's everything that I received in my July Bullymake box. If you're interested in checking them out, I will link to their affiliate link below. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.